MVC Test Orchestrator. Beyond vibe coding, built on requirements. When starting a software project, everything usually begins with an SRS document. But in reality, these documents are long, complex, and open to interpretation. And the biggest problem is this: the SRS exists, but it's difficult to translate it into the correct architecture and code. This is where MVC Test Orchestrator comes in. It's a product that bases the software development process on requirements, not intuition. The process begins with a single trusted source, SRS. All architectural and coding decisions are based on these requirements. MVC Test Orchestrator analyzes the SRS and extracts the architecture based directly on the requirements, not by guesswork. After the extract process, the system automatically creates the model, view, and controller classes using scaffolder based on the requirements. These classes are generated according to the responsibilities defined in the SRS. Once the MVC architecture is established, the system can generate code for the model, view, and controller layers according to the derived architecture, instead of using generic template code. This reduces the gap between requirements and implementation from the outset. Next, an architectural audit checks whether the code still respects MVC boundaries. Instead of relying on manual reviews, the system flags violations deterministically, so architectural drift is caught early, before it spreads. If violations are found, the fixer applies targeted corrections only to the reported issues, without rewriting unrelated parts. The result is a safer, repeatable way to restore architectural integrity. After applying the fixes, the architecture is audited again. This time, no violations are found. We call it the MVC Test Orchestrator because it doesn't just generate code. It orchestrates the entire workflow, extracting models, views, and controllers from requirements, validating architectural rules, detecting violations, and restoring consistency when needed. In short, it keeps architecture, code, and requirements working together as a single, requirement-driven system.